After two suspects break, check a car, and cause a crash, they now focus their rage on the officer.
All right, miss. Unfortunately, you are going to be found at fault for the crash. All right. I know you're from, give me Georgia. Generally, laws are the same everywhere. That's why you can go from here to Florida. Speed limit signs look the same, you know. So in the state of Florida, if you're in a merge lane, someone's in the straight through lane, they have the right of way, which means it doesn't matter that he sped up. You slow down and you get behind them. The fact that you sped up and crossed over.
We didn't speed up to cross over. We were staying the same speed.
What did he say? You said
okay.
No.
So even if you did that, you don't do that because I will arrest you. Next word out of your mouth, better just be quiet.
I have freedom of speech.
No, that's a threat. No, that is a threat. I tell you what. Hold this. Turn around, put your hands behind your back.
Nope.
You resist, you will get tased. I'm telling you that right now. Put your hands behind.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
2-5, send me another unit.
Care for them. Oh, okay. So you don't have to worry about any of that. You can just go home. Okay. Okay.
Sorry. Put your hands behind your back. You're going to get tased.
You're skinny, bro. Stop.
Put your hands behind your back now. Put your hands behind your back or you're going to get tased. I'm not going to give you another warning.
You can leave.
Stop resisting.
Stop
resisting or you're going to get tased. I don't care.
Dude, I will have your job.
What's your name and badge number?
What's your name and badge number, huh?
Turn around.
Huh?
What's your name and badge number?
Please do it, man.
Okay.
Take off that badge. I wish you would. Please, man.
What's your name and badge number?
Okay, stop moving.
I do wish you would take off that badge, man.
And do what?
What is your name?
Are you threatening me?
No, I think I wish you would.
Okay.
I wish you would take off that badge.
Shut up.
I wish you would.
What's your name and badge number?
It's on the paper.
Oh, really? I got you. Yeah. Ma'am, what's your name and badge number? Lucas, 2031.
You just told me you did. No, I didn't. I hope you have that on recording. Oh, I hope you do. Okay. Man, I wish you'd take off that goddamn belt, boy.
Keep threatening. Another charge.
No, that ain't threat.
It's a freedom of speech, sir.
It is not freedom of speech.
Yes, it is. It is a First Amendment right.
Go over there now. Go
what?
Oh, watch.
Am I being detained?
Go in my car. Yes, you are.
Oh, now for what?
You gotta step back. Get back.
Touch me one more time, and I'm gonna have your whole department.
You're so overwhelmed, my guy. You're so overwhelmed.
Have a seat.
That's it, mama. We're calling the fucking lawyer. Here you go. I know.
You're going to jail.
No.
You are being placed under arrest.
I have money.
Turn around, but I don't care.
Are you going to give him 1033? Thousands of signatures in those fucking cards. No, he's not. Mama.
Hands behind your back.
Mama.
Different audience, 11 Alpha, 10th Airport, Challenger, how much cars?
I'm going for
They're calling you.
You cannot. That is my property.
He's detaining the second white female.
I better let my kids go. Kids, go! I'm on the phone. I have heard everything. You better let them go.
That's that bring your lead traffic.
So the driver or the passenger that's in my car starts threatening the passenger over here or the driver of this car. So I say, hey man, you can't make a threat right in front of me. All right, so now you're gonna go to jail for threatening him. Go to put him in handcuffs, he resists, then starts threatening me, telling me he'll beat my ass if the badge comes off. Okay, so now you're both gonna go. Detaining him, putting him in the car. She reaches in, tries to get a cigarette, tell her to get back. She reaches in twice. Now she's going for resisting. Let me get a female unit, and then we'll do that.
Let my children go.
I know who's on the phone, but I'm hanging up.
I've been on the phone the entire time, heard everything. Let my kids go.
She's got a dog in the car. We'll give it to the pound.
Okay.
All right. Your dog's going to the Seminole County Pound. All right. Your car is going to be towed, and you are going to jail for resisting. You have any questions? Okay, have it there. What? No, not when you threaten me.
Dude, I didn't even threaten you, bro.
Okay.
I'm gonna have your badge.
Okay.
That's on everything, man. I have your badge.
Nope, you cannot. You're an arrestee. You don't have the right. You can call him when you get out of jail.
job over this, bro. Wait,
You broke the law. You broke the law. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say will be used in court as evidence against you. You have the right to an attorney now. You have the right to have an attorney present during all questioning. If you refuse to answer questions, all questioning will be stopped. So that means you can be quiet now or keep talking.
Oh yeah, I'm going to.
All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have a good job.
Okay. You already released the other guy?
Huh?
The other driver, you already released him?
Yeah.
Okay.
He already left.
That's fine.
He got nervous. He's like, "Can
Yeah, I can understand, bro. You're not gonna threaten somebody right in front of me.
He did. He
Yeah.
did.
But he was here when that happened.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, and that's why he left. Okay.
Yeah. He got very nervous. He's like, I gotta go.
Okay, that's fine. Well, I'm pretty so there. She's pissed off, determined she's at fault. He's in the other driver's in the straight through lane. They merged over, cut him off.
Brake checked him and he hit him.
Brake checking. You're at fault. He has the right of way. It's his lane. You slow down and get behind
No
him.
matter who hits who.
Yeah.
You're entering.
And then you jam your brakes in front of him. You're at fault. So I'm explaining that to her. He gets all amped up and starts threatening homeboy in front of me. I'm like, yo, man, chill out. No, f that. Okay, well then you can go to jail. I have no issues writing this report. So I go to put him in cuffs. He resists. Then tells me to take off my badge and see what happens. Well, them are fighting words per law. So you can go to jail. So I'm gonna go ahead and take him.
We have animal control coming for the.
I didn't even ask you.
And then I think her car's running.
Yeah. Well, the dog's in there, so I'm good with that. What's up, buddy? No, you're good, bro. So it started off as a traffic crash. The female's at fault. I'm pretty sure the male half was driving because he got out and started beating on the guy's window. But whatever. She says she was driving because he don't have a license. They're in the merge lane. There's a driver half a car length ahead of them. They try to fly forward and pass him, wind up getting clipped on their passenger right side. Okay, so you're at fault. You shouldn't have tried to pass the guy. He has the right of way. It's a straight through lane. He doesn't have any yield signs. Fast forward, explaining to them that they're at fault. He gets pissed off, starts threatening the other driver as I'm standing there. I'm like, bro, you can't do that in front of me. Oh, no, that. Okay, then you can just go to jail. So I go to detain him, starts resisting. I don't know who the hell he is. I don't know who he works for. I don't care. Finally get him detained after pulling out the taser and pointing it at him. As I'm putting him in the back of the car, she reaches in. I'm like, yo, get back. She reaches in again and tries to grab the cigarettes or something. I don't know what the hell she's doing, but she's reaching in, like coming down by my left leg. I'm like, all right, nope, now you're gonna go for resisting. So, whatever. We're just waiting on our female sergeant. I'm gonna put you in my car. You gonna be calm?
Well, I'm calm usually. Put my hands in front though. No. When I got into an accident, my shoulder.
I'll see the guy on the back.
Okay.
Was it your touch?
You're not gonna touch my dog.
They're both about 25. We're giving it to animal control. Unless your mother lives nearby, I'm willing to turn it over to her. But she's like, I don't know why people think, like, I don't care about you recording. It's not a big deal. Record, but keep your distance. Especially when I'm detaining somebody. And then you're gonna reach in by my leg twice after I just told you to back up. Hey, Sarge. So we got one over there, the female's right here. Step out for me real quick. She's just gonna do a search on you. Just face the car.
You got anything on you that's gonna stab me, poke me? Oh, hell no, I hope not.
And while she's doing that, does your mother live nearby where she can come get the dog?
I'm not talking to you, but I'll talk to another officer.
Okay, then the dog can go to the pound.
Do you have anybody near where somebody can get your dog? My mother-in-law is in St. Petersburg, Florida. So nobody close.
Nobody.
No, but we could probably get somebody up.
Within the next 30 minutes?
15.
15.
We're not gonna stay here for 30 minutes.
Before the tow truck gets here?
Will I get the address of where
He'll be
at?
That is right next
outside the jail.
It's right next to the jail. You can literally throw a piece of paper
Let
over.
me go check.
Okay, no, that's fine then.
When I take you, I'll point you where you can go pick him up.
Okay. You mind loosening them a little bit? Sorry, it's my first time ever being arrested, so I'm not used to this. This is the first time for everything, right? What was the last time?
Yeah,
Tell me about it.
Right, all right, get away with it.
Have a seat.
Okay, thank you.
86, just walk over here with me. Do me a favor, step out.
I already know. Come on. Could I have some help, man? Oh, I ain't gonna do nothing stupid.
All right, don't think you will.
Come on.
I'm just making sure your cuffs are not tight. I can literally get 3 fingers in there. By policy, all I have to do is be able to get my thumb in there.
All right,
You see that, right?
Yeah, I got you.
Thumb, 3 fingers. You don't have anything illegal on you, right?
No, I shouldn't. Maybe up my ass, but no.
I'll let the jail deal with that. All right, have a seat for me. All right. Thanks, Sarge.
All right, you ready? Yes, ma'am. All right. Hey, sweetie.
Little baby.
Hi. Hi. There's a little puppy. Come in. Come in. No.
It's okay. Oh, you're so sweet. Hi. Hi.
Tell everybody thank you. He's a good little puppy.
Yeah.
He's happy.
He's happy. He got attention now. Okay.
Do you know how long that they were here? Like, has he been in the car for a while or anything?
Yeah. Well, because we were working a crash, so maybe about an hour and a half.
An hour and a half? Okay, no worries.
And here's my
That's your card?
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate
welcome.
you guys.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
No problem.
The male was charged with simple assault, intentional threat of violence, and simple assault on a peace officer. The female was charged with resisting. They are innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.